Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome, welcome. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy. This is not diamond painting. It is other crafts. But I do a lot of diamond painting videos. So if you're new here, this is just some of the variety that I offer. I hope you find something you enjoy and you come back. And welcome to everybody who is returning. You know what I do, right? Okay. So anyhow, this is from FGNORMAL. And I got a variety of things here to show you. I have diamond paintings too. Those will come later, separate video. But I wanted to show these first, all right? So I found this on FGNORMAL's site. You know, I like to cruise around and see what else I can find. I like this bag. It's like silky. It's shiny, it's silky. I like it. And look, it says, travel, colorful life. Life is a wonderful journey. I thought that was kind of cute. All right, let's find the zipper. There is a little handle here on the back. There you go. Because, you know, we're traveling because life is a journey. Let's go. All right. I like the tabs on these. Those are nice. Oh, look. It even says travel on the little tab. How cute is that? All right. Okay. Let's see what's in here. What is in the bag? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Yarn is in the bag. All right. So first of all, let's move back here. We got two pouches back here. We can put stuff in the little pouches. They're mesh. We've got this little pockety thing here, like that. This little flippy thing. All right. We got a bag of goodies here. What's in our bag of goodies? Let's check out our bag of goodies. We've got all kinds of stuff in here. I'd never seen a little kit with yarn in it, and I was like, oh, let's look at this and see what we get. There. Okay. Knitting things. Okay. I don't know what this is. Is this a knitter's thing? I have no idea. These I know like hold stitches for knitters. I don't knit. And we got these shepherd's hooks. I don't know what to do with those. No idea. What is this thing? What in the world? It's a wrench. It's a bottle opener. I don't know. No clue what that is. I don't know. We'll just put it in there. What are these? Again, I have no idea. No idea what these are. They look like they should open. Open. No, yes, maybe. I don't know. Okay. Knitting. I'm just going to say it's knitting. They look like you do something with socks. I have no idea. Somebody out there who's a knitter, tell me. I know these hold stitches. Okay. That's 3 of them, 3 different sizes. These I understand. Those are stitch markers, and I can actually use those for crochet because they open. If they're just a little circle, there is no way I can use those when I crochet. We got some plastic darning needles. Oh, the pink ones are smaller than the blue ones. We got another tape measure that makes like number 10, I think. And then we have a sizer. And this I don't understand. I don't think you can use this for crochet hooks. I'll show you why in a minute. I'll leave it out. All right. We got crochet hooks. We got 2 sets of crochet hooks. We'll look at those in a second. But this came with yarn. Ooh, we got something on it, just a fuzzy. So it came with yarn. Look at, we have 5 little balls of yarn here. Can't read any of it. It's all in Chinese, but you know, it's just a soft acrylic yarn. Was that probably 50 grams in there maybe? In 5 different colors. So that was kind of cool. It comes with yarn, and then it comes with hooks. Now these are your traditional steel hooks, and these are the itty bitty hooks, like the, you know, doily hooks. If you follow along, you know that Angie and I do a crochet live on Fridays. We're making a doily. And my hook is probably in here. What does this have on it? It's got something on the end. I don't know. That one's weird. So yeah, my hook that I'm using for the doily is a 1.75. These are itty bitty little things, but it's all the small sizes. And I couldn't find my other hook Friday. I had to use one of these steel ones, and I was not happy with it because these are little. This is what I was using, this guy right here. And these are little. They kind of start to hurt your hand after a while, but it's what everybody used to use before we had ergonomic hooks, right? You just had aluminum or steel hooks. So that's that. That's all the small itty bitty sizes in there. And here is your ergonomic set. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. All right, I didn't think that was, the smallest size I have here is a 2. I don't think there's a 2 in here. Let's see. These are the ergonomic ones. I love that they're different colors. The hooks are even different color. So they match the handle. That's a 3.5. That's a 6. Is that my biggest one? No, this one's probably the biggest. No, 5.5. 5. 4.5. I'm doing pretty good here. 4. Let's see. This one. 3. 2.5 and 2. Okay, here's my 2. Now here's my question. Look. This doesn't work here, right? It doesn't measure. That says a 2 or a 14. Is the 14 supposed to be a knitting needle size? Do knitting needle sizes get smaller or larger number as they get a smaller hook? I don't know. But this does not go in there. So, I mean, I thought maybe, I don't know. I don't think they work for crochet hooks. Anybody know? Let me know. Okay. But I love this set. I love this rubberized kind of handle here. These are very comfortable. I have several sets of these now and I'm really enjoying them. I use these all the time now. And I have, like I said, multiple sets. So I love that the metal matches the rubberized handle. I love it. Okay. So we got 2 sets of hooks in there, the small ones, the large ones. I would need a little case to put them in instead of those baggies. Let me know if you can tell me about this, okay? All right, so that's the little set. What's the next thing I got? I got a latch hook kit. They have latch hook. Why not, right? So, I mean, I haven't done a latch hook in a long time. I love the case that it comes in. It's all here in this case. Snaps in there. Here's our hook. All right. Let's get it out, see what we have. I might not take out all the yarn. Okay, so is this just one-sided? What is it? Does it open? No, it's just one-sided. Okay, so wait. No, it's all sewn on here. Okay, everything's sewn. No openings. Like I thought maybe you could put a pillow in it or something, but you can't. So that just has a nice back to it. So here is the picture. It's a cute little snowman. It's really light, so it's hard to see. Well, it looks pretty good in the camera. It's really light to my eyes. But here is your latch hook, right? This is where I hook the yarn here. Hook it in there. Yeah. And pull your yarn through. Now, I believe it has a schematic here. It does. So you could latch hook and you could look at this and be like, okay, this is brown or black and just do it that way. But there is a pattern that's more specific. So it has 8 colors and here's our codes for them. And then it has like a pattern to follow. Looks like a diamond painting, doesn't it? Well, it really kind of is the same concept. You're just putting one string in each place instead of one drill. And so you follow and you could count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you would do 9 little blue ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right there. So that whole row right there would be all blue. And it is 9. Sorry, my hook's getting stuck in there. But that's how you do that. It's like a cross stitch or a diamond painting. You just have to kind of count a little bit. Embroidery, any of that kind of stuff. And that's what it'll look like. Super cute. I love it. I love it. It comes with all of our yarn packaged nicely. So they come like this. And that's color 22, so it's nicely labeled. I love that it's nicely labeled. Or yeah, it's color 22. Let me explain. Color 22. See? Color 22 is actually the C. So that's the color of the thread. The reds are number 4. And they're all nicely cut for you in there, ready to just pull them out and use them. Love that, right? I really want to do a latch hook again. I used to love doing latch hook. I haven't done one. Got a light pink in there. There's our colors. I love it. I really want to do one. I do. So that's what I got from the fun sections of FGNORMAL, the things that are not diamond paintings. You've got to look around. Look around and you'll find all kinds of fun things on these sites, right? Why not? So that's video 1 for FGNORMAL. Thank you, FGNORMAL. I'll link both of these items below so you can go check them out, and you could purchase them yourself if you wanted. There were other latch hook kits you might like better than the snowman. Check them out. Search around. It's fun. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button and subscribe. I hope you come back and see more good stuff later. And I'm off. I'm off to go do other things. All right? Thanks for being here, and I will see you all soon.